If you trade stocks on Robinhood, you can automatically close positions using stop loss and take profit orders. So firstly, open Robinhood and tap the stock you already own, then tap trade and then sell. This won't sell immediately, it just opens the order settings. Then you tap order types and choose stop order. So as you can see on this screenshot, we have limit order and stop order. You're looking for this. And enter the price where you want your shares sold if the stock drops. When the market hits that price, Robinhood automatically submits the sell. And to log profit, you need to choose the limit order, which is this one right over here on the top, and enter the price which is higher than your entry and the quantity of shares. When price reaches your target, the shares sell for profit. Also, you can use OCO, which is the one cancels other method. It supports it, so you can place a stop loss below and take profit above. When one triggers, the other one cancels automatically. So that's how you set a stop loss and take profit on Robinhood and manage risk automatically. That's it for this one. If this helped, like and subscribe, guys.